Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Finland. Nestled in northern Europe, Finland is a land of breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage that captivates the hearts of all who visit. From the shimmering lakes and vast forests to the enchanting archipelagos, Finland's natural beauty is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine standing beneath the mesmerizing northern lights, or wandering through the serene wilderness where nature thrives in its purest form. But Finland is not just about its stunning scenery, it is also a country steeped in history and tradition. The unique blend of ancient customs and modern innovation creates a vibrant cultural tapestry that is truly fascinating. Whether it's the warmth of a traditional sauna, the rhythmic beats of folk music, or the artistry of Finnish design, there's so much to discover about this remarkable nation. In this video, we will take you on a journey through some of the most amazing places in Finland. From the bustling capital of Helsinki, with its stunning architecture and lively atmosphere, to the tranquil beauty of Lapland, where you can meet Santa Claus and experience the magic of winter, each destination offers its own unique charm. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the wonders of Finland. We invite you to join us as we uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make this Nordic paradise a must-visit. Let's embark on this adventure together and explore the beauty and culture that Finland has to offer. The Northern Lights. One of the most breathtaking natural phenomena in the world, the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, is a mesmerizing display of colorful lights dancing across the night sky. In Finland, this magical spectacle can be best witnessed in the northern region known as Lapland. With its vast, unpolluted landscapes and clear, dark skies, Lapland offers some of the finest vantage points to experience this celestial wonder. Popular locations include Rovaniemi, the capital of Lapland, and the charming village of Saariselkä, where visitors can enjoy the lights while cozying up in glass igloos or traditional log cabins. But what exactly causes this stunning display? The science behind the Northern Lights involves charged particles from the sun colliding with the Earth's magnetic field. When these particles interact with gases in the atmosphere, they create vibrant colors, greens, pinks, purples, and reds, that illuminate the sky. This natural light show has not only captivated scientists but has also held significant cultural importance for the indigenous Sami people, who view the lights as a connection to their ancestors and the spirit world. The best time to witness the Northern Lights in Finland is during the winter months, particularly from late September to early April. The long, dark nights provide optimal conditions for viewing, with peak activity often occurring around the equinoxes. So, if you're looking to experience this awe-inspiring phenomenon, bundle up and head to Lapland for an unforgettable adventure under the shimmering skies. Santa Claus Village. Welcome to the enchanting Santa Claus Village, a magical destination located in Rovaniemi, Finland, that brings the spirit of Christmas to life all year round. This whimsical village is a must-visit for families and holiday enthusiasts alike, offering a delightful array of attractions that capture the imagination of visitors of all ages. At the heart of the village is Santa Claus himself, where guests can meet the jolly old man in his cozy office. Children and adults alike can share their Christmas wishes and take memorable photos with Santa, creating cherished memories that last a lifetime. But the magic doesn't stop there. The village is also home to Santa's reindeer, where visitors can learn about these iconic animals and even embark on a reindeer sleigh ride through the snowy landscapes. The experience of gliding through the winter wonderland is truly unforgettable, making it a highlight for many families. In addition to the enchanting attractions, Santa Claus Village offers unique shopping experiences that are perfect for finding that special holiday gift. From handcrafted ornaments to traditional Finnish souvenirs, the village's shops are filled with festive treasures that capture the essence of Christmas. The atmosphere is alive with holiday cheer, with twinkling lights, seasonal decorations, and the joyful sounds of Christmas music filling the air. Whether you're visiting during the holiday season or any time of year, Santa Claus Village is a magical place that promises fun, laughter, and a sense of wonder. It's the perfect destination for families looking to create lasting memories and embrace the joy of the holiday spirit. Suomenlinna Sea Fortress. Nestled on a group of islands just off the coast of Helsinki, Suomenlinna Sea Fortress stands as a remarkable testament to Finland's rich history and architectural prowess. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this fortress was built in the mid-18th century to protect the Swedish Empire's eastern border from potential invasions. Its impressive architecture features a blend of military design and natural landscapes, with sturdy stone walls, bastions, and picturesque buildings that reflect the strategic importance of the site throughout Finnish history. Suomenlinna played a crucial role in various conflicts, including the Great Northern War and the Finnish Civil War, serving as a military base and a refuge for soldiers and civilians alike. Today, it stands not only as a historical landmark but also as a vibrant cultural hub, attracting visitors from around the world. The scenic views from the fortress are nothing short of breathtaking. Visitors can stroll along the coastal paths, enjoy panoramic vistas of the Baltic Sea, and explore the lush green parks that dot the islands. Recreational activities abound, from picnicking and hiking to guided tours that delve into the fortress's storied past. The island is also home to museums, art galleries, and charming cafes, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely day trip. Preserving Suomenlinna is vital for future generations, as it embodies the cultural heritage and resilience of the Finnish people. By visiting and supporting this iconic site, we contribute to the ongoing efforts to maintain its historical significance and ensure that its stories continue to inspire and educate. Lake Saimaa. Welcome to Lake Saimaa, Finland's largest lake and a stunning natural wonder that showcases the beauty and biodiversity of the region. Spanning over 4,400 square kilometers, this expansive lake is not only a haven for outdoor enthusiasts but also home to a unique array of wildlife. Among its most notable inhabitants is the endangered Saimaa ringed seal, a rare species that has adapted to the lake's freshwater environment. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these seals, making Lake Saimaa a vital area for wildlife preservation. The lake offers a plethora of recreational activities that allow visitors to immerse themselves in its serene surroundings. Boating is a popular pastime, with numerous rental options available for those looking to explore the lake's many islands and hidden coves. Fishing enthusiasts can cast their lines for a variety of species, including perch, pike, and salmon, while the scenic hiking trails around the lake provide opportunities for nature walks and birdwatching. The breathtaking landscapes, dotted with lush forests and rocky shorelines, create an idyllic backdrop for outdoor adventures. Surrounding Lake Saimaa are picturesque towns that add to the region's charm. Towns like Savonlinna and Imatra offer cultural experiences, including historical sites, local markets, and vibrant festivals. Savonlinna is particularly famous for its medieval Olavinlinna castle and the annual Savonlinna Opera Festival, which attracts visitors from around the globe. Exploring Lake Saimaa is not just about enjoying nature, it's also about connecting with the rich cultural heritage of the area. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, Lake Saimaa promises an unforgettable experience in one of Finland's most beautiful landscapes. The Archipelago Sea. Welcome to the stunning Archipelago Sea, a breathtaking region in Finland renowned for its thousands of islands, each offering its own unique charm and beauty. Stretching between the southwestern coast of Finland and the Åland Islands, this picturesque sea is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The natural beauty of the archipelago is truly captivating, with its rocky shores, lush forests, and tranquil waters creating a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Outdoor activities abound in the Archipelago Sea, making it an ideal destination for adventure seekers. Kayaking and sailing are popular ways to explore the myriad of islands, allowing visitors to discover hidden coves and pristine beaches. Cycling along the scenic coastal paths offers a unique perspective of the landscape, with opportunities to stop and enjoy the breathtaking views at various lookout points. Fishing, swimming, and hiking are also popular pastimes, ensuring that there's something for everyone to enjoy. The local culture and traditions of the island communities add to the allure of the Archipelago Sea. Each island has its own unique heritage, with charming villages that showcase traditional wooden houses, local crafts, and delicious regional cuisine. Visitors can immerse themselves in the vibrant culture by attending local festivals, exploring artisan shops, and savoring fresh seafood dishes at cozy restaurants. We encourage you to explore the Archipelago Sea by boat or bicycle, as this is the best way to experience the stunning landscapes and rich cultural tapestry of the islands. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, the Archipelago Sea promises an unforgettable journey through one of Finland's most enchanting regions. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Finland, let's take a moment to summarize the key highlights that make this Nordic country truly remarkable. From the breathtaking beauty of the northern lights illuminating the night sky in Lapland to the enchanting Santa Claus village in Rovaniemi, Finland offers a unique blend of natural wonders and cultural experiences. We explored the historical significance of Suomenlinna Sea Fortress, the stunning biodiversity of Lake Saimaa, and the picturesque charm of the archipelago sea, each destination showcasing the diverse landscapes and rich heritage that Finland has to offer. These amazing places not only provide opportunities for adventure and relaxation but also invite you to connect with the local culture and traditions that make Finland so special. Whether you're seeking outdoor activities, historical insights, or simply a serene escape into nature, Finland has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this exploration of Finland's wonders, we encourage you to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content and don't forget to like this video to show your support. Your engagement helps us continue to share the beauty of Finland and other incredible destinations around the world. We also invite you to share this video with friends and family who might be interested in discovering Finland's amazing places. And be sure to explore our related content on the channel for more travel inspiration and insights. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope to see you again as we continue to uncover the wonders of our beautiful planet.